So y'all, I'm making my kids some pasta tonight. I cut up some sausages and fresh garlic. I put my bow tie noodles on, season it, a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of salt. Not too much salt at all, because salt's really not good for you, especially too much. These are the sauces that I had on hand. My husband picked these out, so these are the two sauces that I'll be using. I already placed out everybody's bowl, so I don't got to do that. I also place a fork in each and every person's bowl to make it nice and easy. I'm trying new things to make it easier on me and on them. I already strained my bow ties. Those are completely done, and I'm so proud of myself because I normally overcook them, but this time they came out perfect. I'm going to saute my sausages a little bit. I'm going to also add the pasta sauce in there as well. This start bubbling everywhere. I'm only going to add 2 jars because I'm only feeding my 8 kiddos, and this is for just for tonight. I seasoned my bow ties with a little butter and a little garlic. These are the seasons that I use for my noodles. I didn't season my sauce because my noodles are already seasoned, and I'm going to mix all of that around. And y'all, this came out amazing. It smelled amazing and it tasted amazing. The whole thing was going, like the whole pot was empty, and my kids really enjoyed themselves. I made everybody their own individual plates, and everybody actually did ate the food. I put a little Parmesan on top, some fresh Parmesan, because Parmesan tastes really, really good with pasta, especially if it's freshly shredded.